did, he's not a witness. So.
Shooter's ready. Set.
Are you recording?
Yeah. I'm hitting low. So that one's low. That one and that one. Is that his or mine?
That's his.
That's his. Okay. Probably on the last ones. Well, on the last couple of ones, I couldn't actually see this spot, but I could see part of the target and part of my circle. So I was like, the center should be up there somewhere. Yeah, I think it was just the not being able to actually see the chevron. I think that's what those low ones are. But we could find out. I'm gonna go left to right. I'm gonna try to shoot at the C.
Okay.
So that C, then the next one, the next one, the next one.
Got it.
Yeah, trying to. That's the one that's really hard to keep in the spot. So that was resting normal.
Yeah.
And then that was on one side.
You were on the right. On
Yep.
that side.
That's on the other side.
Left, and then you went up and pushed hard.
And then, yeah, upward pressure.
You got quite a bit of deflection.
Is that one of them?
Yes, that's you.
Okay.
Yeah, there's right there. Or, I'm sorry, no, it's that one.
That one was.
Yeah.
But again, if I was trying to force it up,
Yeah.
and whether that's deflection from the gun or just struggling to hold it up,
Right.
that's something to note.
Yeah.
Interesting. All right, any of those shots, just drill in the center of every C on the target. That's mine. Yep, just drill in the center out of those. Thank
All
you.
right, John.